A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, welcome back after your summer vacations. I hope you are fine and healthy. Today, let us start a new chapter, that is the second chapter, more on MS Windows 10. Dear children, you already know something about MS Windows. Okay, let us recall that first. Now, first of all, MS Windows is an operating system and it is a very popular operating system. You know why? Yes, because it is user friendly. कोई भी हम easily उसको use कर सकते हैं. Okay, now first of all, you will learn more about MS Windows 10 in this chapter. Now, when you switch on the computer, dear children, the Windows operating system gets loaded into the computer memory automatically. This process is called booting. जब भी हम कंप्यूटर स्विच ऑन करते हैं, the Windows operating system gets loaded in the computer memory. वो कंप्यूटर में लोड होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. This process is called booting. See, I have underlined here. In your textbook, you can also do it. Now, next, the first screen that you see after the Windows has loaded, the first screen you see, it is called desktop. I will show you what is a desktop. See, dear children, this is a desktop, and in the desktop you are having small pictures. These pictures are called icons. Small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Let us study further. Now, the desktop contains a small pictures with names such as this PC, recycle bin and many more. These pictures are called icons, as I have earlier told you. Next, the icons represent different programs, files or folders that can be opened by double clicking on a particular icon. Now you have already studied how to open an application, how to open a file and how to open a folder. You have to just double click on it. Next, this PC icon. Now what is this PC icon? Whatever is stored on your computer is accessible from this PC icon. That means जितना भी storage है हमारे computer में हमको कहाँ से मिलेगा? We can operate it from this PC icon. I will show you where is this icon. See, here I am having the icon of this PC. I can open it and show you as well. See, dear children, this is this PC folder. Is it clear to you all? Understood? Moving on to next. Within this PC window, you can see some more icons. Let us see what they represent. Now, the icons show that this computer has a hard disk drive partitioned into Windows C, local disk E and local disk F. Now, ये दिस पीसी क्या दिखाता है? इसमें एक हार्ड ड्राइव का हार्ड डिस्क का पार्टीशन है जो लोकल डिस्क ई और एफ में है. नाउ लेट अस सी. Here you are having, okay, now here I am having Windows C. So मेरा हार्ड डिस्क का पार्टीशन किस में किया हुआ है? हार्ड Windows C में किया हुआ है. Understood? Next. Now, to store and access the data, you may have different partitions in your computer. And my laptop, I am having Windows C. आपके कंप्यूटर में कुछ और भी हो सकते हैं. This icon shows that a computer have a DVD drive installed. That means ये icon क्या बताता है? That हम लोग इस कंप्यूटर में या इस लैपटॉप में डीवीडी और सीडी डाल के we can play it and we can watch the movies or we can listen to the music, we can play the games, etc. Understood? Is it clear? Which icon shows? This icon, DVD drive icon shows. This you have already studied in our previous chapter कि कभी भी हमको DVD या CD run करनी हो, so we need a separate drive for that. Yes? Remember? Very good. When you double click on any of these icons, say local disk C, a window appears. It displays the list of the files and the folders contained in the drive. Local disk C में क्या होता है? बहुत types of files and folders. Now, whatever work we are doing on the computer is stored in the form of a file. So, what is a file? A file is a collection of data, information, settings, or command. Now, this you can also underline in your textbook. What is a file? A file is a collection of data, information, settings, or command. That means कि फाइल क्या है जिसमें हम कुछ भी डेटा इंफॉर्मेशन सेटिंग्स या कुछ भी कमांड्स रख सकते हैं. अभी हर एक फाइल का एक यूनिक नेम होता है. ओके जैसे कि आप सबका एक अलग अलग डिफरेंट नेम है वैसे ही वी कैन कीप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेम फॉर ईच एंड एवरी फाइल्स. नाउ फाइल्स कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन टुगेदर इन अ फोल्डर. फाइल्स किस में स्टोर होती हैं? एक फोल्डर में स्टोर होती है. A folder is a location for organizing and storing file. Now, what is a folder? ऐसा लोकेशन है जहाँ पे हम फाइल्स को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं एंड स्टोर कर सकते हैं. वेट, आई विल शो यू वन थिंग. Now see dear children, this is a folder. Okay, the new folder which you can see it has been highlighted here on my desktop. I have just clicked it. Now this is a location where I can store different files and I can organize them as well. You can see this PDF. This is particular a file. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे आपको देख सकते हो the difference between the folder and the file. Is it clear? In the PDF, I'm having all the data and the information, and in the folder, I'm having different files so that I can organize them and I can store them in a place. Is it clear? Next, you are having the start screen. Now, where you will get the start screen? By clicking on this start button, dear children. When you click on the start button, the screen appears. It's called the start screen. Now, here in the start screen, you can get different types of applications according to the alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, these all are the applications which I am having in my laptop. Now, the blue one which you can see here, these are known as tiles. The Office, then this, then Microsoft Edge, then Photos. These all are called tiles. क्या बोलते हैं हम इसको? Tiles. So the start screen content is being displayed in the form of tiles. जो भी यहाँ पे applications हैं, we can display them in the form of tiles here. Some of the tiles are known as live tiles. क्यों उनको live tiles बोलते हैं? क्योंकि कुछ कुछ ऐसे टाइल्स होते हैं जैसे कि वेदर फोरकास्टिंग के टाइल्स होते हैं ना, वो उनको कहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है? ऑनलाइन सोर्सेज से, है ना. हम वेदर फोरकास्टिंग की इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से लेते हैं? गूगल से लेते हैं. ओके सो जो भी टाइल्स होते हैं विच आर यूजिंग द ऑनलाइन सोर्सेज, दैट टाइल्स विल बी कॉल्ड एज लाइव tiles. Now dear children, in this tiles you can resize the tile, you can remove a tile, or you can add a tile as well. Let us see. Now how to resize a tile? Just right click on a particular tile. Here you are having the option of resize. Small, medium, wide. See, you can change the size of a tile like this. If you want to remove this tile, आपको remove करना है यहाँ पे start screen से. What you will do? You will unpin from start. See, this particular tile has been removed. Now, if you want to add a tile here, आपको अगर कोई भी tile यहाँ पे add करना है, so what you can do on a particular application, कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर एप्लीकेशन पे जिसका आपको टाइल यहाँ पे विजिबल होना चाहिए, यू कैन राइट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड यू कैन क्लिक ऑन पिन टू स्टार्ट. सी हियर डाउनवर्ड्स यू आर हैविंग दिस टाइल. अभी अभी मैम ने आपके सामने ही इसको ऐड किया एक टाइल को और एक टाइल को रिमूव किया. इज इट क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? यस डियर चिल्ड्रन. These all are known as tiles, and by right clicking on it you can resize the tile as well as you can remove the tile, or you can add a tile as well. Understood? See, this we have already studied. Now only in our practical session how to remove, how to add, or how to resize a tile. Is it clear? You can underline this line in your textbook. The start screen content is displayed in the form of tiles. Now let us see the small worksheet based on this video lesson. Yes, sorry. Here it will come chapter 2, part 1. Now, this is the worksheet based on chapter 2 part 1. There are some fill in the blanks given to you. Now, and the help box is also given to you. You have to solve it on your own. The first screen which you see after the windows is loaded is called dash. मैम ने आपको दिखाई भी थी ये screen. The desktop contains small pictures that are called, you can write the answers. A dash is a collection of data, information, settings or command. This we have underlined as well. A dash is a location for organizing and storing file. मैम ने अभी आपको अपने लैपटॉप में एक न्यू फोल्डर करके दिखाया था. Got an idea? The start screen content is displayed in the form of, now only we have studied how to add an tile, how to remove an tile. Whatever information is stored on your computer is accessible from the icon called dash. Dear children, this worksheet is very easy and I know you can do it on your own. Now we will meet next time with something more interesting in computer. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all, dear children.